Imagine pulling up to a breathtaking lakeside campsite just before sunset. The air is fresh, the view is incredible, and while everyone else is sitting outside on folding chairs, you're relaxing inside a motorhome that feels more like a modern luxury lounge than a traditional RV. A motorhome with a huge social area. A motorhome designed around people, comfort, and unforgettable travel experiences. And that's exactly what makes the Challenger X250 Open Edition one of the most unique compact motorhomes we've seen in recent years. Today, we're taking a full tour of this innovative motorhome to discover why so many RV enthusiasts are calling it a game changer. Let's get started. The first thing that stands out about the Challenger X250 Open Edition is its appearance. Unlike many traditional motorhomes that focus on maximizing sleeping space, the X250 takes a completely different approach. It was designed around social living. Built on the reliable Ford Transit chassis, this motorhome combines modern styling with practical dimensions that make it easy to drive on highways, country roads, and even through city streets. At first glance, the sleek bodywork immediately catches your attention. The sharp front design, modern headlights, stylish graphics, and premium Open Edition finish give this motorhome a fresh and contemporary look. It feels more like a luxury travel vehicle than a conventional RV. The compact size is another major advantage. Many larger motorhomes can feel intimidating to drive and park, especially for new RV owners. The Challenger X250 offers a perfect balance between spacious living and manageable dimensions. Whether you're heading to a mountain retreat, coastal destination, or cross-country adventure, this motorhome is designed to make every journey easier. Moving around the exterior, you'll find practical storage compartments that provide room for camping gear, outdoor furniture, and travel essentials. Everything feels thoughtfully designed for real-world adventures. But as impressive as the exterior is, the real magic begins when we step inside. And trust me, this is where the Challenger X250 truly separates itself from the competition. The moment you enter, you're greeted by one of the most surprising interiors in the motorhome world. Instead of the usual setup with small seating areas and limited gathering space, the X250 features an incredible lounge concept that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 people. Yes, 8 people. That's almost unheard of in a compact motorhome. The designers completely reimagined how people use RVs. Rather than focusing only on sleeping arrangements, they created a social environment where friends and family can relax, talk, eat, play games, or simply enjoy time together. The seating layout is absolutely brilliant. The swivel cab seats integrate perfectly with the main living area, creating a large and open space. The wraparound seating arrangement makes everyone feel connected, almost like sitting in a modern living room. This setup is perfect for entertaining guests at the campsite. Imagine spending an evening with friends while enjoying stunning views through the large windows surrounding the lounge. Natural light floods the interior, making the entire motorhome feel much larger than its actual dimensions. The atmosphere feels warm, inviting, and surprisingly luxurious. Every detail contributes to the experience. The upholstery looks modern and premium. The furniture design is sleek and contemporary. The lighting creates a cozy environment during evening hours. It's easy to forget you're inside a compact motorhome. Moving toward the kitchen area, you'll find another example of intelligent design. The kitchen is compact but extremely functional. Everything has been carefully arranged to maximize efficiency without sacrificing style. You'll find ample counter space for preparing meals, a practical cooking area, storage cabinets, and modern appliances designed for life on the road. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before a hike or cooking a full dinner after a day of exploring, the kitchen provides everything most travelers need. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the space. Every cabinet, drawer, and compartment feels designed with purpose. This is especially important for long trips where organization can make a huge difference in overall comfort. One of the biggest challenges in compact motorhomes is creating enough storage without making the interior feel crowded. Challenger has done an excellent job solving that problem. Now let's talk about one of the most important areas in any motorhome, the sleeping arrangements. The Challenger X250 Open Edition uses a smart solution that perfectly matches its social-focused design. Instead of dedicating large portions of the interior to fixed beds, the sleeping area transforms when needed. This allows the motorhome to maintain its spacious lounge during the day while still providing comfortable sleeping accommodations at night. It's a clever balance between daytime living and nighttime comfort. For many travelers, this flexibility is actually more valuable than having permanent beds. Most people spend far more time awake enjoying the journey than sleeping. By prioritizing living space, Challenger has created a motorhome that feels dramatically larger during everyday use. The sleeping setup remains comfortable, practical, and easy to prepare when it's time to rest. The bathroom area continues the theme of intelligent design. Despite the compact dimensions, it offers the essential amenities travelers expect from a modern motorhome. The layout is efficient, clean, and functional. Quality materials and smart space management help create an environment that feels more premium than you might expect in this category. For weekend getaways, extended road trips, or even long-term adventures, the facilities provide the convenience needed for comfortable travel. Now let's discuss what truly makes the Challenger X250 Open Edition unique. Most compact motorhomes focus on maximizing sleeping capacity. Others prioritize storage. Some focus on luxury finishes. But very few place social interaction at the center of the design. That's where the X250 stands apart. The massive 8-seat lounge transforms the entire travel experience. Instead of simply being a vehicle for transportation and sleeping, it becomes a destination itself. Rainy day at the campsite? Everyone can gather comfortably inside. Traveling with friends? There's room for meaningful conversations and shared meals. Family road trip? The lounge becomes a heart of every adventure. This focus on togetherness is what makes the X250 feel special. It recognizes that travel is ultimately about experiences and connections, and those experiences often happen when people come together. Another impressive feature is the sense of openness throughout the interior. Many compact motorhomes can feel cramped after spending several days inside. The X250's layout helps avoid that problem. Large windows, open sight lines, and intelligent furniture placement create an environment that feels airy and welcoming. For travelers who enjoy spending significant time indoors during colder weather or rainy seasons, this can make a huge difference. Driving performance is another area where the Challenger X250 excels. Thanks to its Ford Transit Foundation, drivers benefit from modern safety systems, comfortable handling, and dependable performance. The vehicle feels stable on highways and remains manageable in tighter environments. For first-time motorhome owners, this accessibility can be a major advantage. The confidence that comes from easier driving makes every trip more enjoyable. When comparing the X250 to many competitors in the compact motorhome segment, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just another RV. It's a fresh interpretation of what a motorhome can be. Instead of following traditional design formulas, Challenger created something genuinely different. A motorhome built around social experiences. A motorhome designed for connection. A motorhome that prioritizes how people actually spend their time while traveling. And that innovation deserves attention. Now we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the huge 8-seat lounge? Would you choose this social-focused layout over a traditional fixed-bed motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Your opinion might help other RV enthusiasts decide which style of motorhome fits their travel lifestyle best. As we wrap up today's tour, the Challenger X250 Open Edition leaves a lasting impression. It's stylish, it's practical, it's innovative, and most importantly, it offers a completely different approach to motorhome living. For travelers who value socializing, flexibility, and creating memorable experiences on the road, this compact motorhome delivers something truly special. Imagine parking beside a beautiful beach, gathering friends inside your spacious lounge, watching the sunset through panoramic windows, and knowing that your next adventure begins tomorrow morning. That's the lifestyle the Challenger X250 Open Edition is designed to create. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible motorhome and RV reviews. And until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep chasing new adventures on the open road.